Good afternoon, it's Vandalyn Smith here, speaking to you live from my home here in Birmingham, Alabama. And I wanted to share in this video two of my favorite tools for researching topics to talk about as it relates to your content. So you have started an online business, or you may not have started an online business, whatever it is that you want to get found, but you want to be found online. You have some purpose for wanting to be found and wanting to provide content to your audience online. And so you may be wondering, how in the world do I figure out what people are wanting to know about? So you find keywords. You look and search for keywords. Keywords are things that people are searching for in the search engines, Google and YouTube, and other search engines as well. So you have to figure out what it is in your niche that people are wanting to know. And so my two favorite tools that I've discovered, and I absolutely adore them, is the first one is in front of you on the screen, and it's called Keywords Everywhere. So Keywords Everywhere is a software extension that you can install on your Chrome browser, or you can install it on your Firefox browser, as you can see on the screen in front of you. And so, it does everything. It searches and gives you the data and the volume search for the keywords that you are reviewing or researching. And so this helps you, come up with topics to talk about. This helps you title the content. And you are, on the path to allowing people to search for you or search for whatever topic they're looking for and your content being found. So I'm going to show you what keywords everywhere. I've already installed it on my Chrome browser. And so I'm going to go to Google, and you can see that I've already put in a search term. How will people find my content? And so here we go. We have keywords that are listed here. You see here on the left-hand side of the screen. And I'm going to move my face out of the way so you can see. But you see here on the right-hand side of the screen, left-hand side, wherever it is, but it's a list. It's on my right side. It's probably on your left. But you can see a list of keywords that people are searching for, and it shows you the monthly volume of how many times this keyword was searched. So if you are, stuck or running out of ideas on what to, provide for your audience, you can use this tool, Keyword Research, or Keywords Everywhere, and you can do keyword research, and you can come up with ideas on what to talk about. And so this is a handy little list here. It shows you what people are searching for, how many times they're searching for it a month, and it's really pretty cool. And so that gives you ways that you can come up with topics for your niche. So we have keywords everywhere. And then I wanted to show you the other keyword tool that I like to use to do keyword research, and that's called Answer the Public. AnswerThePublic.com is another research tool that you can use to search keywords, and it also, gives you an idea on how to title your content. On this one specifically, I typed in start an online business. So I typed in that search term, and you scroll down, and you can, when you first click on you put the enter in, or you put the query in, it shows up like this. Okay. It shows up like this, and it has a circle here. And I'm not able to turn my head and twist my head to see the circle, but these are all of the questions. It comes in the form of who, what, when, where, how, why, which. And so you can use these as topics for your content as well. But you can also go to the data, have it report to you in the data format so that you can read it and understand it. better. I mean, unless you like twisting your head, looking to the side, I prefer looking at it under the data versus the visualization. I mean, it's all pretty and everything, but it doesn't do anything for me to be able to read it. So here's the data. So I put in the search term, start an online business. And so here are the results that people are looking for. Here's start an online business. There's 12,100 monthly searches. And so here's start an online business with no money. And here, start an online business ideas, and then, you can move over to a different query. Can you start an online business with no money? Okay, nobody is searching for that. And so you want to utilize keywords that people are searching for. So here's one here, start an online business ideas. And that's 390 searches a month. And then, it goes all the way over to how start an online business. That probably should be how to start, but that is what the person actually typed in. 27,100 people typed in how start an online business, not how to start, but how start an online business. So that'll be an interesting title for your video or your content. How to start an online business for free. 20 searches a month. And so, you can get a great deal of ideas from these two keyword planners. I call them keyword planners. You can call them keyword tools. Very helpful. So you can take this, do your keyword research. It shouldn't take you all day, but you can actually take some time and just come up with your weekly or monthly topics that you're going to do. Play around with the words and think about things that people might be wanting to learn about your niche. Type the generic question or the phrase into these search engines, Google, and also Answer the Public, and come up with different topics. And once you see these topics, they should give you an idea of things to talk about, because that's what happens when I use it. I start, like, oh my goodness. So, you can use these and come up with ideas for your content. So I just wanted to share those two, those two keyword tools that will help you come up with ideas that people are searching for. People are searching for these things. They want to know more about it, and you don't have to worry about what why nobody is finding your videos, because I found out, I just started really learning how to do keyword research the right way, because I was just doing videos willy-nilly and doing content, but nobody was really searching for the topics that I was naming, the titles that I was naming. And see, it's all about what you title, because the people have to get to your content in order to see it. So you can have a phenomenal video about something in your niche, but if nobody is gonna find it, if nobody's able to find it because they're not searching for the title, then nobody's gonna see it. And that's what was happening to me. I was trying to figure out why all these videos, I got all these videos out here, nobody's engaging with the videos, nobody's looking at the videos, and then come to find out it's because my titles were all wrong. So once you use these tools and start doing keyword research, start using these tools to title your content, then you will be found by the search traffic. So I just wanted to share this information with you. If you enjoyed this information, or if you feel like it was helpful, leave me a comment below. Make sure you like the video. And if you're not already subscribed to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe so that you can continue to receive helpful tips as it relates to making money online, as well as growing an online business. So this is Vandalyn Smith, and I appreciate you watching this video, and I'll see you on the next video. Have a good day.